Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to collaborate in Canva step by step. Canva makes it easy to work with friends, teammates, clients, or classmates by allowing everyone to edit the same design together in real time. Let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Then open the design that you want to share with others. It can be any design, such as a presentation, poster, social media post, or document. Once your design is open, go to the top right corner and click the Share button. A sharing window will appear with different collaboration options. To invite someone directly, enter their email address in the invitation box. Before sending the invitation, choose the permission level. You can select Can Edit if you want the person to make changes to the design, or choose Can View if you only want them to see the design without editing it. Another option is to create a shareable link. Simply click Copy Link, then send that link through email, chat, or any messaging app. Anyone with the correct permission can open the design and collaborate with you. When another person joins the design, you'll be able to work together in real time. Changes made by one person appear almost instantly for everyone, making teamwork faster and more efficient. After you've finished setting the permissions and sharing the design, close the sharing window. Your collaborators can now access the design based on the permissions you selected. And that's how you can easily collaborate with others in Canva using the Share feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials and technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.